Number one is persistent ownership. Data contributors maintain control regardless of platform changes.
Tartle has no control over your data vault or your data. We can't see it. We can't move it. It's completely under your power. No matter what changes in the system, the one thing that doesn't change is your ability to always rightfully own and move and control, delete, or monetize that data as you see fit. No other technology does that for you.
And the beautiful part with Tartle is whether it's 23andMe, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Snapchat, whether it's YouTube, whether it's some new financial app that's out there, finance, whatever it may be, stock buying, Robinhood, whatever, all of those, it doesn't matter. It still goes back to you. And this is number two, is the granular consent. Specific permission required for each data use.
Yeah, so
each platform.
any single moment that there is a request of your data on Tartle, you get to choose if you want to give it to that person or business at the price that you feel is appropriate with a specific use license attached to it. You are setting all of the parameters for the use of that asset when it is given to someone else.
Number three is value return. Revenue from data use flows back to contributors.
Yeah, absolutely. If you are sharing the data, money comes to you for doing so. That's it. You're rightfully and fairly compensated for the sharing of that data. If companies choose to participate, Tartle will share your revenues back with the company. This is great. It's a win-win. You know what I mean?
And this fourth one, this sounds simple, but I want Alexander to talk about this one because it sounds so simple. You're going to skip past how amazing this is. Continuous choice, the ability, keyword here, to withdraw consent at any point in the data lifecycle. Why do we have the ability to withdraw any consent at any point? But companies, once that data lifecycle starts going, there's no ability.
No, there's no ability. Now, what makes the technology unique with Data Vault Connect is you can shut it off. So when you have had this pipeline of giving data to a company and you getting things in return, you can shut that off at any moment. You have full control.
Hatch.
No one's ever built that for you. No one's ever built off a shutdown switch.
Yes.
The public should be demanding it. And companies should actually welcome it because the headache they go through to build all this other crap and try and keep up with it, or they get a data takedown request, what a hassle. If you just adopted Tartle Data Vault Connect, you'd only have an economic benefit, a risk benefit, and a consumer engagement benefit.
Yeah, and when it comes to, I want us to imagine if 23andMe has built on a model that is the Tartle ecosystem in the beginning.
Impossible.
But if they had done that,
Yeah, okay.
its bankruptcy would still represent a business failure.
Of course it's a big,
It's like if you're not selling enough kits, or the list goes on and on.
yeah.
But it wouldn't be a privacy crisis. User data would remain, with Tartle, user data would remain under individual control, immune to bulk transfer.
Wouldn't have been an issue.
In bankruptcy proceedings, research partnerships could continue.
Absolutely.